everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. This is the vehicle we're going to be doing today. This Jeep Wrangler. We're going to be doing new head unit, all 4 new speakers, replacing all the OEM that's over probably 10-15 years old. Alright, so we're going to take these front speakers out here. Stock radios here. We're going to be taking that out and replacing it. We're going to be replacing these top speakers right here as well. Going to be changing this all out with all stock to all aftermarket. Alright, so Beavis is going to go ahead and pull this dash piece off to do the radio. And then behind this whole entire bezel here, now these snap clips, as you can see, they pop off. So you got to be real careful because he's already pulled 2 off. So this one's still stuck in the dash. He's going to have to put that back down here where this goes. And then when we want to take this off here, you can use a 7mm or screws on, there's 4 of them, 2 on each side, and that'll remove the radio itself. Beavis working really hard, working hard on growing that mullet too. Give him a couple months, it'll be there. I'll start calling Billy Ray Cyrus with the achy breaky heart.
Achy breaky heart.
Which one are you gonna use, the 7mm or the screwdriver?
Phillips.
All right, so we're gonna take out the 4 Phillips screws. Beavis likes to use that impact. I don't know why, but loves to just...
Impact.
Yeah, I guess that's the word. So now the radio is gonna come out. Okay, so this is the antenna when you pull it out, but I guess there's an extension on it because it just pulled its little happy butt out of there. So these are the parts we're going to be using. ADCR1, which is a Chrysler antenna adapter. We're going to be using the 996505 dash kit and a 70-6502 wiring harness. These are the 3 components we're going to be using besides the radio. This is the radio we're going to be using, a JVC KD SX26BT. She wants something with Bluetooth in here, so that's what we're going to be using in here. It also has aux, USB, and a couple other sources. These do not play CDs because they're mechless. All right, here's the wiring harness wired up. Everything matches color to color. Purple with black stripe, black solid, white with black stripe, goes to white with black stripe, yellow, red, etc., etc. The only things you don't really have to wire up is remote, and if you want this, it's dimmer. So that's really just match up your color to color. So what do we have in here? Oh my God, yuck. All right, Beavis has already got these 4x6s out of here, the plates. Got our speaker wires there. We're gonna go ahead and wire these up and get the new ones in. Here is the passenger side speaker right here. It's 4x6 plate. We'll put our new speakers on these these pre-existing plates on here. We're gonna use these bass blockers on our front speakers. We're gonna make plates to make these 4-inch fit from Hypnotic, and then we're gonna be using 5 1/4s in the rear. We're going to be making all of our speaker harnesses right here so that we can wire these up to the fronts, and then the rears will be 5 1/4 Hypnotics. We don't need any kind of brackets for those because they'll just bolt right in. These we have to make a bracket because that's the way it bolts right in. All right, we got our wiring harnesses made here with our pack, basically a capacitor. It's built in. Got, you know, our small one for a negative, large one for a positive, and our T-taps on the other side because we don't cut factory harnesses off. Okay, we're going to take the speaker terminal and use this part as the top. And then on the blue, we're going to use as the positive, and on all speakers, we're going to use the left side right here with this part on the top. This left side is going to be our positive on all of our terminals. We got our wiring harness wired up to the factory harness. We used our black T-tap so that you can just unplug it if you want to remove it. And then that way we can just plug our speaker right into here. Guess what Beavis is over here doing with his impact? Drilling holes. All he loves to do with his lovely wood plates he made. Look at that cut, Beavis. Man. Look at that cut. My God. Got everything installed. Looking really nice. We got the new speakers installed where the factory grills are, so it looks like OEM. Put all of our factory speakers back here. Everything looks really good, sounds really good. Definitely a huge upgrade over factory.